Alright guys, welcome. It is your local Google guide, and today we're gonna go to Gas Up, starting from Pacific Dance. So I'm gonna tour you around town that I love, Irvine, California. And from here, in Woodbridge, we're gonna head to Tustin. Alright, so we're going to make a left on Culver, coming up pretty soon. So we're off Yale and Bryan right now. And again, you've probably seen videos of this. There's an awesome Tai Chi park here on the right. Northwood Community Park, where they have an awesome little memorial here in the corner that I've made videos in VR for you guys to watch on my channel should you choose to. A little bit like Ethan Hunt, right? Should you choose to accept this challenge. Anyway, here we go. Tai Chi Park on the right, a very nice building. People gather there. It's awesome. They have great teachers.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes.
Another park on the left where they're playing soccer, maybe. I don't know. They're all gathered there. It's Saturday morning, 10:16.